This is my memo for making the sweet potatoes pancake for baby. So boil the sweet potatoes and then we mash them. After mashing them, we put 2 eggs in here and put cheese if you want to, and a little bit powder of Japanese powder or any flavor that you like. And also the most important thing, you put the cinnamon, okay? So I need to remember how to put the cinnamon in. A little bit smell and flavor. Baby should be okay with it. Okay, and after that I scoop in here in the extra virgin coconut oil, and I put it for 2 minutes already. After that I just turn the cake. A little bit overcooked here. Should be okay. We turn the cake after 1 or 2 minutes, and then we cook for another minute or so. Then it should be ready. So now it's all done. We have the sweet potatoes pancake ready to serve for baby. Quick and simple.